Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video, we're going to talk about how I got this really nice surface finish on this copper wall cross. I will also discuss a little bit in this video and show you the tool of what you can do to take and help out the surface finish on your non-ferrous materials like copper, brass, silver, stuff like that, if you're looking for a nice matted type finish. So without further ado, let's check out the tool that I used. Okay everyone, so first off, let's take a look at this finish here. Now mind you, the surface has been painted a little bit, but hopefully you all will be able to see how it's kind of got a bit of a matted finish. It's a really nice, soft, subtle look. It's not a polished finish at all, by no means, but it's really got a nice, subtle look for forged ironwork, and it really does kind of hide a lot of scratches or other things to it. Now you can do this on brass, bronze, copper, silver, basically anything that is non-ferrous, and it is taking advantage of the fact that softer materials like copper, brass, bronze, they have a tendency to smear. And what that is it's when the surface area, because of the contact of the abrasive mediums hitting the material, it drags a little bit of that material. It heats it up enough that it does become a slight bit molten at the point of contact, and it smears or drags that material over. And I don't know if I can get this on the camera or not, but it leaves a very fine grain-like structure on the piece itself. So what tool did I use in question to create this? You might be asking yourself. Well, it is definitely not a flap disc wheel. You don't want to use this. This will definitely leave grinding lines on something. What the tool is that I was using was this right here, a wire wheel. Now it helps if the wire wheel is short and stubby like this. This is on its last legs, obviously. You know, the wires are maybe that long before, so it really works best with a little short, stubby wheel like this, because you really grind in hard on it and really get that smearing effect that gives it a nice matted look. I encourage all of you to try this a little bit on your own projects, maybe a scrap piece, and see how it works. But yeah, this thing just goes to town like that on an angle grinder. Now, one of the other things to talk about this is you don't want this set up at, you know, say 5,000 RPMs or anything like that, okay? That's not what you want. You don't want this to be really fast. So the other helpful thing is to have an angle grinder, kind of like my Bosch here. I don't even have the... It was a Bosch. Let's see if I can get it to focus right. It was a Bosch something 50-11 VS. Basically, the last part has to say VS on it. That's the main key there. But this tool here actually has a selector switch where you can run it all the way up to its fastest, which is about 5,000 RPMs, all the way at level number 6. Or you can run it all the way down until it runs at about 500 RPMs, and that's really what you want. So you want to be able to put on heavy pressure and run it at a slower RPM and get this really nice kind of like it's almost like an orange peel effect, like some people might say. So anyways, I hope that little quick tip will help give you guys a little bit of inspiration. Maybe you'll take it into your own shop and try something, which I hope you do. Hope you try that effect and see what I am talking about there. But anyways, that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to support more content like this, maybe check out becoming a channel member. Memberships are always greatly appreciated. Plus, you get a lot of really cool discounts and stuff on things that I sell, like Blacksmith blanks and whatnot. It's way over there on that shelf. So that's it for today. God bless. We will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.